машинка шишкем böyle sayılasın kursun kullanmaydı. Bunu koyuyoruz. Помещение положить на машину. Машина чистая. Автоматика открытия всегда. Теперь при автомобиле машина движения на стоянку. Продолжать это можно слушать. Машина надо фига, что я не серьезно. Серьезно. Ей. Он там связан.
Tell Frank I'm divorcing her anyway.
Reklam çekeceğiz. Висвасер. Могли. Висвасер. И... Хотим там. Вот это. Нахуй я только думаю. Он музыку не видно, все было. Именно все было.
Get a move on, yeah?
Ne kısıdır ama tamam. Güzel. Fantaziyorik asasını sıkma. Tepkiyle basılır. Yok. Ne şansım bağlı.
I put the car in your lockup.
You're not as stupid as you look, Yoko. Come back to see me at the bar soon.
O barak sana kadar. Где бар? Надо пешком вас. Değil. Bebekten gider. Хорошо, а тебя? Блин, смотрим был.
Hey, Mickey.
Почему ходит?
Last quarter.
Это шоу. Шоу.
Bang, bang, you are dead.
Оп.
Wake up, you moron.
You got me.
Come over here. Sit down. You remember Ivan?
No.
Guy you saw me
Benim
talk.
için olsa gelmiyor.
This guy.
Kısa geldi.
This guy.
Ha, başladı.
Yes, you guys
Ha,
have a
başladı ya.
Very funny. What would you say if I told you he was going to rob your cousin?
I'd
Nasıl
say,
oldu fasına?
what problem has he got with my cousin?
Hold on. Hey. Hey, gorgeous. No. I can't talk right now. What are you wearing? No, I mean underneath it. Great. Listen, I'll call you back, huh? Sorry.
Who was that?
Never you mind.
Was it Ivan?
Ooh, that's funny. You know, for a dumb yokel, you're a very funny guy.
Yes, and for an annoying dick, you're really an annoying dick.
Well, it's a real shame then that I am the guy with the powerful friends, and you're the little punk whose only friends is some fat weasel who drives a fucking car!
So,
Też один
why is
widziałeś
Ivan
tam.
going to rob my cousin?
Because I want you to kill him.
What?
Şokanı korktular kuşku gibi bana.
Mr. Faust offended him. He think he's stealing some paperwork from her mom. You catch him and kill him. Then we say it was just a robbery, that's fair.
And what if I say I don't want to be your hitman?
Then Mr. Faustin will be very angry with you. And your cousin.
Okay.
I know you would
Nasıl
understand
efendim okuşunu?
once I put it in this simple way. Now, go wait for him by the car depot. Hey, gorgeous. Yeah, where were we? Okay, now listen.
Ya bıraktım nasıl? Ulan kuşun geliyor. Varsa şeyini koyar.
So you're the guy I meant to kill? Serio, se me alto!
İnne kuşa bunlar. Aha. Bakmış.
Where you
Oldu
going to?
oyna. Muito feio, nossa, mais, já pior. Hadi yavrum. Kaçma. Sayfanı da kapıştım diyor.
Slippery bastard! I wasn't sure about killing you in planned answers. Now I'm coming around to the idea.
Draw me die.
My God! Shit! I told everyone in this country was fat and slow.
You ain't taking me alive, reptilian!
Man, I'm starting to sweat. Shit! Suck it up and stay down. I don't want this to get really ugly. You're a fast one, aren't you? I thought everyone in this country was fat and slow. You trying to rob my cousin? That's a bomb and set me up. Vlad don't like you no more, man. There's nothing in this town. Don't do this for him. Man, I'm starting to sweat. Shit!
네가 한 뱀이 집에 집에 좀 늦었네.
You're a fast one, aren't you?
하는 동시에 나오는 동.
This place is really getting to me.
야, 나 어디 가시게요?
everyone in this country was fat and slow.
Don't make me get my gun.
Man, I'm starting to sweat. Shit! You trying to rob my cousin? Vlad's a bomb. He set me up. Vlad don't like you no more, man. There's nothing in this town. Don't do this for him. You're fast one, aren't you?
Блядь.
I thought everyone in this country was fat and slow. Stay the fuck away from me! You've run out of roof, dickhead. Vlad told you to kill me, right? I wasn't stealing nothing from your cousin's place. No one's going to know that I'm alive, not even my mother. I'll stay out of Hove Beach. I'll be a ghost. I promise. Please! Vlad told me to go there. Let me go and I'll lay low. I promise to deal with you. I don't break promises.
Cool.
Yeah.